Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're coming off Mount Rossa now and we're in St. Anne, the parish of St. Anne, and we're going to drive through Faith's Pen. Now Faith's Pen was most famous for its chicken or its food stop. So coming up on the left is a place where it used to always stop and buy chicken or food, soup, those kind of things when you're driving on this road. But for some reason the place is just like abandoned now. You're going to see how many stalls were built, and that's because this place was buzzing with activity one time. But now it's like a ghost town, and I don't know if it was the building or the highway that caused it, but I can't imagine so many people using the highway. Look at all the empty stalls. I don't know. I really don't know. But I know I used to stop here on the way to Ocho Rios, and it was full of activity. Look at the amount of stalls. That gives you an idea just how busy this place was once. It's literally abandoned now, and we were literally the only car. There was nobody eating food in here, and I just assume, everybody just assumes it's the highway being open that took the traffic away from this road, but this road still has traffic. I mean, to use the highway you have to pay a toll. So a lot of persons still use this road, but that's what Faith's Pen is today. I don't know exactly what caused it. I think it's something more than just the highway being built and the traffic going on the highway, because I don't know, but that place used to have a lot more activity. It's literally a ghost town now. So why, you guys can leave a message in the comment section if you have any ideas as to why Faith's Pen is literally abandoned now. Alright, so that was the Faith's Pen food stop, or the food area, but this is also Faith's Pen. Faith's Pen is like a small district or a town when you're driving from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Right as you come off Mount Rossa, you enter the Faith's Pen area. But it was most famous for the food stop that we just passed. Yeah, there's a sign, you are leaving Faith's Pen. Here you have some more food establishments, but they also look very abandoned. Not much activity at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, the highway helped a great deal. You can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes. But as we said, it's a toll road, so not everybody going to pay that toll, especially if you use the road daily or a couple times a week. So I don't know. But Faith's Pen, the food stop, had about 30 or 40 stalls, and only a handful, like 3 or 4, look like they were even had a fire going, if so many. But this is still the main road that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios, or from Kingston to the north coast. And when we say Kingston, we should be more specific, like Kingston, Spanish Town, Portmore. Basically, that's where the largest population in Jamaica is. And this is the main road to take that population to Ocho Rios. on the right, that's the actual highway we're talking about. I don't know if you can see it with all the bush, but the highway is right on the right of where we are now. It's a very nice road. I mean, at night when we're coming in from the north coast, always take the highway. It's a much easier drive. But in the day, we usually take this road because it's so scenic and we make the videos for you guys to see. Alright, I'm gonna try and pass this truck now. It's like eyesore. Okay, now look at this road. It's a nice road, but look at the white lines. Why is it so hard to paint these roads with these lines? I don't know. I don't get it. Okay, this road was painted once, but the line has faded. So you can get some people, give them the paint, the brushes, and just paint it. Wherever the line is already there, so it's not like you need to measure anything or survey or to tell you where to put the line. At this point, it's literally gone. But these roads need the lines. It's terrible. And if anybody knows why it's so hard to paint the lines in Jamaica, what is involved? It must be more than just putting the paint on the road. Must be. Maybe you need a survey or something to tell you exactly where to put the line, or I don't know, but it takes so long. And look at this road. This is a main road and it doesn't have the white line. Unbelievable. Alright, now this is the Monique entrance. Actually, we're going through Monique, but the actual toll plaza is called Unity Valley. And I want to thank our subscriber who explained to us, because we were wondering why this toll plaza isn't called Monique. But apparently there is an area, and we are actually in the Unity Valley area now. We enter Monique further down. So this toll plaza on the right is where it's the Unity Valley toll plaza, and it takes you on to the Edward Siaga Highway or the North-South Highway in Jamaica. So as we continue driving, we're going to come upon the town of Monique. So guys, remember to leave the comments, and if you have any information to add about the area we're driving through, you can leave it, because we will use the information in future videos. I was just saying to myself, didn't we just pass this truck? But it's a different truck, but it looks so much like the truck we just passed. This one is actually like a trailer, but I thought it did cross my mind. Didn't we just pass this truck? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.